Now, I received a message from a client after he listened to that episode, and he wanted to share something with me. A number of weeks ago, I helped him put together a testimonial. So he videoed a patient of his who was sharing their story. There's a number of questions. If you wanted to put together a testimonial, now remember, okay, you Aussies and Kiwis out there that can't do that, but the rest of the world can. We really want to ask people about their journey. Why did they come in to see you? Were there any fears or frustrations? What were they not able to do beforehand? What are they able to do now? And if somebody out there was suffering from the same problem as them, what recommendations? And we end up with this getting really lovely little narrative arc. Chris used this testimonial. He put it up onto his Facebook and he boosted it. And he boosted it for the grand total of $2 a day. And he's been doing that for somewhere between the last 6 to 8 weeks. Now, Chris went on to tell me, because he's very good at knowing his numbers and tracking this, and he said these 4,700 views is now turned into more than $9,000 of closed cases from that alone.